Riggs Hill Farm is located on over 10 lush, manageable acres. There are 3 barns with large open pastures offering a variety of uses. The circa 1816 historic home offers abundant, light-filled rooms with period details and modern amenities. It's perfect for casual country living or formal entertaining. The contemporary kitchen is a chef's dream, complete with a sunny breakfast nook. There's a private first-floor guest room. The second floor offers 2 additional light-filled bedrooms. And the ensuite master bedroom is a world unto itself. The grounds offer abundant space for a variety of outdoor activities. Imagine horses here. There's a 1-bedroom apartment in the large barn. Riggs Hill Farm, where there's something for everyone. You may contact me through the following information. I'm Thomas McGowan.